When does the United States Uniform Code of Military Justice apply to National Guard under Title 32? Imagine a scenario where members of the National Guard are called into service and you wonder whether they are subject to military law. Understanding the legal framework that governs their conduct can be complex but is essential for clarity. The United States Uniform Code of Military Justice is the foundation for military discipline and legal proceedings, but its application to National Guard members depends on specific circumstances. Typically, the United States Uniform Code of Military Justice applies to members of the armed forces when they are in active duty status. For National Guard personnel, this means when they are serving under federal authority. When the federal government activates National Guard units for national emergencies, overseas deployments, or other federal missions, these members become subject to the Uniform Code of Military Justice. This is because they are considered part of the armed forces during these periods, and military law governs their conduct. However, when National Guard members are serving under Title 32 of the United States Code, they are operating under state authority. Title 32 allows the National Guard to be called into service by state governors for local emergencies, natural disasters, or other state-level needs. In this state status, the members are primarily governed by state laws and regulations, not the Uniform Code of Military Justice. They are subject to the jurisdiction of their state's military justice system, which may have its own set of rules and procedures. The key point is that the Uniform Code of Military Justice applies to National Guard members when they are federally activated or serving under federal orders. When they are functioning solely under state authority, such as during a natural disaster response or civil disturbance within their state, they are generally not subject to the Uniform Code of Military Justice. Instead, they follow state laws and military regulations specific to their state National Guard. In summary, the application of the Uniform Code of Military Justice to National Guard members under Title 32 depends on whether they are serving under federal or state authority. When federalized, they are subject to military law. When operating under state command, they are governed by state laws and regulations unless federal jurisdiction is explicitly invoked.